In David's world, the classroom noise fades. His focus sharpens on his drawing, bringing him calm. But outside of David's world, life continues. His teacher, Miss Walker, tries to reach him. For David, the world outside fades away. All he needs is one more line. Miss Walker gently pulls David back to the classroom with a calm, caring presence. Miss Walker wonders if David needs a hearing test. But for David, it's not about hearing, it's about focus. Confused, David goes back to what feels safe, his drawing. Sometimes, it's not about hearing. It's about understanding a child's world,